So you've received your at-home impression kit for your new ShockShield MouthGuard. Inside you will find a set of written instructions, 2 sets of impression material, 2 sets of different sized impression trays, 2 extra zip bags for returning your impressions, a couple of our business cards to distribute to your family and friends, and a lab slip. Fill out your lab slip completely with your name and phone number. Please write clearly so we can get a hold of you if we have any questions about the design of your new ShockShield MouthGuard. Even though you're watching this video, please be sure and read the written instructions all the way through before starting the impression process, as you'll only have 4.5 minutes from the time you start mixing the putties together to when it sets up completely. Try in each set of trays to see which size fits your mouth the best, as the written instructions describe. Once you've chosen the right size tray for your mouth, it's time to mix your impression putty. Start by setting a timer for 4 minutes 30 seconds, but your mixing time should be no longer than 30 to 60 seconds max. Start mixing Part A and Part B by kneading and rolling them together to form one consistent color. There cannot be any swirls or lines in the material, so make sure all the material is mixed together completely before you stop mixing. It is important that you move swiftly to stay within the mixing time of 30 to 60 seconds. As soon as you see that the mixture is completely combined, roll it into a rope that's about the diameter of a nickel and about 5 inches long. Then place the rope into the trough of the U-tray and press it down slightly so the material sticks to the sides of the tray and doesn't fall out. Now you want to place it in the mouth. Make sure your mouth and lips are very relaxed and soft. Now ease one corner of the tray into one side of your mouth and then the other. Using your thumbs and starting from the back, working forward, press the tray up onto your teeth. Make sure to pull your lip up, out, and over the tray. If your lip is caught under the tray at all, the impression will be less than ideal. Once the tray is in place, don't continue to push. Simply hold the tray in place, allowing the impression to harden, forming a mold of your upper arch. After the full 4 minutes 30 seconds has expired, with your finger, press down on the impression material to ensure it's firm. If so, it's now time to remove the impression from your mouth. Use one hand to hold the handle of the impression tray, and with your other hand, use your fingers up under your lip to grip a section of the tray, and pulling straight down and out, you will feel the seal of the impression begin to loosen and then let go. Once your upper impression is complete, check it to make sure that you can see that all of your teeth have been well impressed into the material and that the gum tissue above the teeth is also included in the impression. Now you're ready to take an impression of your lower arch, following the same instructions as we have demonstrated with the upper. Once you've completed both impressions, refer to your written instructions for mailing your impressions back to the lab.